This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a PayPal account in Thailand. You will need a valid email address and a Thai mobile phone number to begin the process. Please prepare your Thai identification document or passport, as this will be necessary for verification purposes. Having a local bank account or a debit or credit card ready will also make the setup much smoother. These are the essential items for a successful registration. Begin by visiting the official PayPal Thailand website or downloading the application on your mobile device. Click on the Sign Up option and choose to create a personal account for individual use. You will then be prompted to enter your full legal name, your chosen email address, and to create a strong, secure password. Afterward, verify your mobile phone number by entering the one-time password that will be sent to your phone. Linking a bank account or a card is absolutely essential for unlocking the full functionality of your new PayPal account. Access the Wallet section within your PayPal interface to begin this important step. You can easily add your Thai bank account details there, providing the bank's name and your complete account number. Alternatively, you may choose to link a debit or credit card by entering its number, the expiry date, and the 3-digit security code. It is important to check your email inbox carefully for a verification link sent from PayPal. Clicking this link will confirm your email address and help activate your new account. For bank verification, PayPal typically sends 2 small deposits, often just a few Thai baht, to your linked bank account. Once these deposits appear on your bank statement, simply enter the exact amounts into your PayPal account to fully complete the bank verification process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.